So I have already created my fill layer with the white color. I am on Pixel Studio, but this can also work on layout and vector. So now let's select the shape tool, left click. Now I'm going to select the ellipse tool. Now in order to create a perfect circle, hold shift key down and then create your circle. So here it is. Now I'm going to left click on the color here. I'm going to remove the color, click on this icon. And now I'm going to left click here. This is the outline. I'm going to add the black outline. And for the size of the outline, I'm going to make it 20 pixels. Press enter, 20 points. And now let's select the move tool. And now I'm going to center my circle. So now I'm going to change the size of the circle to 700 pixels. So I'm going to select the transform panel here. If you don't have the transform panel, just go to Window, General, and then check the transform. I'm going to select the center here so that the transform will start from the center. And then I'm going to check the chain icon here to lock the aspect ratio. And then I'm just going to change either the width and the height to 700 to change them both. Press enter. So here it is. I have both the width and the height 700. And now in order to create concentric shapes, we need to duplicate this layer. You can either right click, select duplicate, or just select your layer and then hold the control key down and then press the J key on your keyboard. And now I'm going to reduce the size of the duplicated circle. I'm going to reduce it here in the transform panels. So I want to reduce each time a duplicate by 100 pixels. So for example, here we have 700. I'm going to bring it down to 600. So as you can see, I have locked the aspect ratio and then press enter. Make sure the transform is in the center. Press enter. So here it is. And now I'm going to duplicate it again. Hold the control key down and then press the J key. So as you can see here, it duplicated my layer and then reduced the size automatically because of the power duplicate. But as you can see, it's not 500. I'm going to bring it down to 500. Press enter. Since we want to reduce the size each time by 100 pixels. And now I'm going to duplicate it again. So just hold the control key down and then press the J key. And now I'm going to reduce to 400, sorry. And now let's duplicate it. So for example, this time right click, duplicate. I'm going to change it to 300, press enter. So now I'm going to duplicate it again. This time change it to 200. And now this is the last time, right click, duplicate, and then this time I'm going to change it to 100. So now I'm just going to make sure selecting the move tool. Now I'm going to drag over all the circles and then just click on this icon here to place them in a group. So here it is. So if you want to change the color here of this outlines here, I'm just going to add the layer effects, left click. So you can either add the gradient or just the color. So let's select, for example, color overlay. I'm going to left click on the color and then here, like this, I can change it. And now I'm going to exit.